Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Monday, May 19th, and we're going to start with this digital representation of a new kit that we have in the shop. This is called Autumn Blaze by Northcott Fabrics. It's beautiful and it uses that panel in the middle. So let's come over here and I'll show it to you in a little more detail with the kit right here. Beautiful, beautiful fabrics. Pattern is by Patty's Patchwork and over 5.5 yards of fabric for the quilt top and binding. And you can also check this out online. So I'll be sure to put the link in the description of the video so you can get a better look at it. And this is something that we've been wanting to share with you. We are partnering with Comfort Cases. Comfort Cases is a nonprofit that creates and fills backpacks for children in foster care. So their hashtag is no more trash bags. And we are going to be doing a charity sew-in for Comfort Cases, making quilts on the 22nd of June. And then the biggest thing that we have here is that you can win an entire bolt of fabric just by donating some of the things that the Comfort Cases include. So we are a donation site until the end of June, and all you need to do is donate some of these items, which I will also put a link in today's video description, and you can be entered to win a whole bolt of Moda Grunge from our Moda rep. Okay, next up we have, these are the QuiltCon Wyndham Artisan Cotton 2026 Challenge fabrics. The QuiltCon 2026 featured speaker, Hillary Goodwin, has selected the QuiltCon 2026 Challenge palette from Wyndham Artisan Cottons. We love these beautiful cross weaves that give just a hint of shimmer. I like that chambray color. Hillary used her time growing up in North Carolina as inspiration, and we look forward to seeing how her palette inspires you. And just in case you don't understand this fabric, the cross weaves mean that one way is created with one color of yarn, and then the other way is created with another color. So in this case, it's yellow and rust combined to create this fabric. And when you tip it, it does kind of have a bit of a shimmer to it. You can sort of see different parts of the color coming out. And then this one is Kelly Green. We've got blue on this end, and let's see what's on the middle. Kind of a limey green in the middle. So again, those are the Wyndham Challenge fabrics for QuiltCon 26, and we do have multiple bolts of these, so we should not be running out anytime soon. And then finally, we have these beautiful prints, which I do have to open to show you. This is called Wanderlust. This one is a double border, so you're going to get the same thing on both sides. Transport yourself to a mountain escape with the latest collection by Laura Moyer of Create Joy Project. Wanderlust invites you to embark on a creative journey. Let's see, we're gonna fix it. So this one's a whole piece. Woo! Sending things flying. A whole piece, so I have to show you the whole thing. Let's see. Wanderlust invites you to embark on a creative journey. There we go. Now you can sort of see the whole thing while I'm making a mess. Through its rich and diverse designs, 3 scenic ombre prints and a mountain landscape give you endless possibilities for your next stunning project. Now this one just screams beach to me. Just looks like the beach, smells like the beach, not quite. Let's see, let's open up this guy for you. So that's kind of a double border. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And then we have one more. Love this one too. I love everything Create Joy does. I have to keep myself from ordering too much of it. So this is the same with the center. So you get the same thing on both ends. So again, these are part of our Create Joy project collections from Moda Fabrics. And all of this that I've shown you is now available online or in the shop. I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.